show tunes tonight, so we're gonna go.
All right, after Jimbo, we got Brett for the closeout for us.
I dreamed last night I got on the boat to heaven, and by some chance I brought my dice along. And there I stood, and I hollered, someone save me! For the passengers they knew right from wrong. For the people all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. People all said, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under, but the devil will tell you, take your coat, sit down, you're rocking the boat. I sailed away on that little boat to heaven, and by some chance I had a bottle in my fist, and I stood there nicely pounding out the whiskey, but the passenger was about to resist. For the people all said, sit down, the way on the head of the ship. People all said, beware, the way to sell the ship. And the devil will drag you under, but a fancy round your wicked throat. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. And as I laughed at those passengers to heaven, a big wave came and washed me overboard. And as I sat there, I yelled, somebody save me! That's the moment I woke up. Thank the Lord. And I said myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. Set myself, sit down, you're rocking the boat. And the devil will drag you under. When so heavy you'll never float. Sit down, you're rocking the boat. Sit down, you're rocking, sit down, you're rocking. Oh.